Want to update your Facebook profile and make it more complete? Adding your relationship status helps personalize your profile instantly. Many users don't know where this option is hidden. Today, I'll show you how to add or change your relationship status on Facebook. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and practical Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step. Add relationship status on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and log into your account. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated for the latest layout. Stay on the home screen before moving forward. Step 2. Open your profile icon to enter your personal profile page. Here you'll find your profile details and customization options. Look for the section that allows profile edits. You're now ready to update your information. Step 3. Choose Edit Profile from your profile settings. This section controls personal details shown to others. Scroll carefully until you find the Relationship section. Open it to continue. Step 4. Select Relationship Status and open the status options. You'll see choices like engaged, married, civil union, domestic partnership, open relationship, it's complicated, divorced, and more. Choose the option that matches your situation. Review your selection before saving. If this guide is helping you customize your profile, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook profile and privacy tutorials. Your support helps the channel grow. Step 5. Save your changes to update your profile instantly. Your selected relationship status will now appear publicly based on your privacy settings. You can change or remove it anytime later. Your profile now looks more complete and personalized. Boom! Update complete. Your relationship status is now added to your Facebook profile. Keeping your profile updated helps people understand you better online. Small changes like this make your Facebook profile look more authentic and organized. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your social media experience easier. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and professional.